Anderson awning windows. On this one, first I gotta remove all these obstructions. That screw is way too long. It's protruding through the frame and pinching the torque bar. I'll show you a close-up of it in a second. This screw is also pinching the bushing of the torque bar. And I'll just remove this one. Check out the difference. With the screw in, the torque bar is stuck. With the screw out, the torque bar moves freely. Loosen retainer screws. Loosen them just a bit. Do not remove the screws. You don't want to push too hard here. Try to support the window with your free hand. Just loosen the screws enough to remove the vent. It'll make things a lot easier to get to. If these screws are stuck, don't worry about it. Just leave the vent in place. I like to get the vent out of the way. Remove the vent by sliding it up, then one side after the other. Now you can get to everything much easier. So there is the cam. We'll just put the cam in with a rivet. You can also use a screw, but a rivet has a lower profile and allows the brackets to move more freely. So you want to put an extra fat washer. I made that washer out of just a piece of tin I had laying around. I just cut a circle out of a tin can. So right here you're going to want to be very careful. These rivets are very fragile. The ones holding the arms to the brackets inside the frame. Don't twist these hinges either way. Just let them hang freely. Rivet them in place. Cheap rivet gun. Here's the bushing. Then you connect the new cranks link arm using an E-ring. Just click the E-ring into place using a chisel or a flat screwdriver. Here we're going to attach the cam. You want to use a very short screw here. You don't want the screw protruding into the inner workings of those brackets. Now we'll install the crank. Put the vent back in, align the holes and slide the vent down. With the slotted hole there, you can see, pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Bring the window into about 45 degrees to get things tightened up. You don't want it all the way out when you're doing this part of it. Tighten it up pretty good. You're going to have to push with the screwdriver, so you're also going to have to support with your free hand. And now you are good to go.